Guys, we're looking at day 10 of the Snavely renovation out here, and today's probably been one of the biggest progress days that we've had so far. We got walls ripped out, got some paint, not paint, but got some sealer put on. I guess one of the biggest things, we'll walk you outside here really quick. One of the biggest things we got done is we got the big trash pile off of the front porch out here. The dumpster is fully loaded and ready to be picked up on Monday, and we'll get that out of here. So this is all looking a whole lot better. Got all that cleaned up. We got the back wall all cleaned up, vacuumed, everything, got sealer put on it. Tomorrow morning we're going to start framing this wall up. We got a fireplace going right here where this old window was, so we're going to frame that chimney up tomorrow, get all this done. Try to start framing that front wall potentially, but got a lot of walls ripped out on this side, so you can see it looks totally different now. Get all those interior walls out of here. Me and Heather were measuring stuff off last night, kind of looking at, or tonight, that's how tired I am. Looking at how everything was going to fit and lay out, making sure we had all of our measurements good before we start framing interior walls. So everything's looking really, really good. One of the surprises that we came into, which is not really a big surprise, but you can see these floor joists are completely rotted over here on the edge. So I guess the previous homeowners thought that spray foam insulation would stop the rot and water from coming in. So that's something that we're going to have to address. We talked about it tonight. We've got another issue here where these joists are on this load-bearing wall. We really need to move this wall back about 15 inches to make room in the kitchen for things we want to do in there for cabinets and so on and so forth. So what we decided to do, since we have the rot over here anyway, we have this problem, is we're just going to run new floor joists on this section of the house. That's going to cost us about $500-600, but at this point, this is the only time we're ever going to be able to do that and make this right. We have to address that rot anyway. So we're just going to run new floor joists in here. These are currently 14-foot long floor joists. We're going to go to 16-foot long and let them overlap, and then that'll allow us to move this wall back and still be a load-bearing wall and still support those joists. So that's where we're at. Exciting day. I mean, tons of stuff happening and lots to clean up. And for anybody watching this that thinks like we're moving at tortoise pace with a home renovation, we are doing all this on our own. So it's basically me and the family. Me and my son Cameron have done 80% of the work. My father-in-law has been out here a little bit. My other son Tyler was out here today helping us all day. My wife Heather was out here helping us all day today. So weekends we can really make a big dent out here, but yeah, during the week it's kind of slow moving. So anyway, day 10 done. Hopefully we get some walls framed up on day 11 and we go from there. So we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thanks. Bye.